Cold start.
I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher.
What's going on YouTube? Yeah guys, today I'm actually just gonna do a little quick review of the FK coilovers that I have installed. As you can see, I'll actually link it in the top, whichever corner it may be, the video to where I actually unboxed the coilovers and the install video itself as well. So yeah, check out those videos if you want to see what they look like, and yeah, just the opening experience of the FK coilovers. So yeah, basically I've had the coilovers for, I think, installed for about, if I have to be honest, I'd say 6 or 7 months now. And honestly, in the start they were very bumpy and bouncy, and okay, it was probably because I made them too low initially when I installed them, so I had to heighten them or raise them a bit. So yeah, after doing that, I finally didn't scrape every single place I tried to drive into anymore, so that was a bonus, especially since I worked with my car in construction, using it as a construction vehicle for my work. So yeah, that was a horrible fail. I think I'll include sometime I'll include some of the roads that I used to drive on with my car getting to sites. It was horrible. For something that's low, it's just not working. So yeah guys, I would say, like, honestly, it was a pretty good buy for the amount of money you pay for the FK coilovers. It's a really solid buy. Thumbs up to FK for producing a coilover for people like us who are just starting off in the car scene, but we're still able to do things to our cars to make them unique. So shout out to FK coilovers for that. Also, just shout out to my buddy Dwayne from Vanity Originals, who actually helped me install the coilovers. Yeah, without him it would have been a long ass day, because we actually did end up taking like 8 hours to install the coilovers, so that was a massive fail because I almost missed training. It's a whole nother story for another day, but yeah guys, I would say what a good buy. I'm not sure about how the FK coilovers are for the other makes of cars like the VW, the Ford Figo, like etc. I'm not sure how they are on those cars, but personally I must say, running 195 50/15 tires and pretty slammed, not slammed all the way but pretty low, it is a not too bad. Like it's still bouncy, as I'm sure you'd see in the video, but it's nothing that you can't live with, especially if you want to just set yourself apart from the rest. So yeah, basically well, I was going to say the features of the coilovers, but the characteristics of the coilovers are actually pretty good. Only problem I do have is that the compression rate of the springs that they provide are so soft. Like, I mean, my preload spring is already bottomed out when I put the car down, so what is the use? So other than that, I'd say really good buy. I'm not a slammed or low life person, as you could say. I'm actually more into like the racing look, or not into stance, if you can say like that. I'm actually more into the racing look, because I do like going at fast speeds and going around corners at quite good speeds. I don't always enjoy being that low because I do scrape everywhere and I just don't want to lose my front fenders. So yeah, cornering with these coilovers are absolutely insane. Like, you can't believe the difference it makes. I was blown away. Yes, they were super stiff and super bouncy, but I mean, going around corners and bends with my car at speeds that you would not expect. I'm also not going to mention those speeds, but honestly, just guys, for what this car is and for what it's made for, putting coilovers on the FK coilovers on here and tuning them to my suitable height, I've had really good experience with them. Nothing to complain about besides for the bounciness and the low spring rate on the preload springs. But yeah, guys, I would say if you guys are keen to get a better look on your car, set yourself apart, make it a bit unique. I know FK make a massive range of coilovers for a massive variety of cars. I would say purchase yourself a set. Honestly, like, it's one of the best things that you'll possibly do, getting into either stance or just a bit of a racing vibe with your car. Doesn't matter what it is, just do it. I actually hate this because people are so quick to criticize people who slam Ford Figos and who slam Polo Vivos and put racing wheels on and paint the brake calipers and stuff. But honestly, guys, that's just people wanting to be unique and people wanting to show their love and passion for cars. Like, I mean, for me, how my car's built, that's because that's the way I want it. Yes, it's not complete, it's not finished yet, but I'm on my way to getting there, and I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. So honestly, I hope that you guys stick around for more videos. Get your friends to subscribe, get everybody who you think would be into cars, who don't have a clue what they're doing and just starting off from the bottom, get them involved, get them to like the video, get them to subscribe, get them to share the video to their mates who might be interested. I mean, we're all going along on a journey with me not knowing what the fuck I'm doing and learning as we go. So obviously, I'd always love to take advice from you guys. Love what you hear to say. The comments section down below, let me know what you think, what I should do to the car, what you guys think of the car especially. I mean, it's not every person who drops or slams or does something unique to a Ford Figo. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And honestly, guys, if you enjoy the videos, don't hesitate to share them. I mean, it only takes a couple of seconds. Who knows, you might be helping someone else figure something out on a similar car. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you people honestly invest in a set of FKs. Like, obviously, if you don't have a lot of money and you're just getting into the scene, I'd say invest in a set of coilovers, FK coilovers. You can find them at a variety of places in and around Joburg and Gauteng. So yeah, guys, definitely invest in those and definitely invest in our videos. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned for more content.